Welcome to PC Mac. Today we are going to install Sonarr on our Raspberry Pi 4 with the help of OpenMediaVault 5 and Docker. So let's do it. So here we are on our OpenMediaVault. So let's go ahead and again go to OpenMediaVault Extras, Docker, and then Open Web to open the Portainer and log in. Now for this practical we are using this image, Linux server Sonarr, and again we are going to check whether it's available for our Raspberry Pi or not. So it's right here, ARM64. That means we can use it for our Raspberry Pi. Now let's move down for these things. We need to use these things. So as we did on radar, we need to do the same thing on Sonarr. So let's just go ahead and do that. First of all, let's just show you that PUID and PGID. So let me log in. SSH root at my OpenMediaVault address. So I'm logged in. So my username is PCMac, and here are UID and GID, that is 1001 and 100. So let's go back to Portainer, and from here go to containers and add containers. Our radar is also running, transmission is running, MB server is also running. So let's just click on add container and copy from here, from the top. Let's copy this, start pasting it here. Let's name it as Sonarr, and for the ports we need to move down and check the ports that its use is 8989. So let's just put the ports here, 8989. It's done. Now let's move down to volumes, and it require config TV series. So we'll need a folder with the name TV. So go back to Portainer again, 1, 2. Let's just open our file manager. Let's go to other location, Raspberry Pi, containers, new folder. Let's name it as Sonarr. Inside Sonarr, let's create a folder, config, and we will use the old folders for TV shows. Let's go back here, and the container path is config, and for the path we need to copy it from here. Click on bind. So we have the folder with the name containers and then Sonarr. It's good. Now let's just copy this one as well and paste it here, and this as TV. Let's check it from here, and it's TV. Let me show you that we have the folder or not. So it's right here, TV. I don't have shows right now, so let's just check. Go back here, go to network, it will be in bridge mode. Go to environment, and we need PUID, PGID, time zone, and umask underscore set. So let's just copy this one. Let's create 4. It's right here, and it's 022. Let's check one more time. So it's correct. Now the time zone. So the time zone is Asia Kolkata. then PUID and PGID. So 1001 and 100. Let's go back and the restart policies unless stopped. And we forgot one more path to the download client. So let's configure this one as well. Volume, and it's downloads, bind, and copy the path again. So let's check the file manager that we have a downloads folder from transmission. So we'll select that. So it's also done. Let me check one more time that everything is done or not. It's done. Let's just go ahead and click on deploy the container. Now it will download the image because I'm downloading it for the first time. And we can access our Sonarr on port 8989. So let's just go back here and check. Let's wait. You can see the port for the Sonarr web interface is 8989. So let's just type our address, that is 26:8989. It's downloading again. Let's wait. So it's done and it's running. Hit enter. We need to wait for a moment. Let's just refresh. And it's working now. We are here on Sonarr. So now we need to click on settings, and from here let's leave the settings as it is. We just need to add a download client. So we have installed transmission. Let's just name it as transmission, and then the username and the password, and just test the connection. So we need to put the IP address of our OpenMediaVault and test the connection again, and it says testing connection, transmission succeeded. So save it, and it's done. Now once the download client is available, then we need to go into indexes and add some indexes from where the file can be fetched. So we are using raspberrypi, and just click on test and testing succeeded. Click on save. Then you need to just go back to series and click on add series. Let's try to add Daredevil and look for it. So it's right here, Daredevil. Let's click on it, and you can select the path from here. If you want a different path, you can click on add a different path, then click on the browse, and you can look for the path where you want to download all the movies or all the TV series. So I have bind downloads and TV, so the folders are right here. Let's select downloads, and then just click on the add button. Once you click on the add button, the series will be available right here. Then you need to click on the series, and we have selected a different TV show. Let me just show you how you can now download it. Then you need to click on here, and it's not available. Then just close it. So this is not available. Let's just go back again and click on add series and look for again, and just click on this one. Go back to add series, and then click here and open show episodes, and then click on manual search, and you can see that it give you the option like 5.6 GB, 1.6 GB, so you can select any of the available sizes. So just click on the download and it will start downloading. On the bottom the icon will change like this, and this will start downloading on transmission. You can see it says 0 of 0 pairs, so it will take some time to download the magnets and connect it to the pairs, and it will start downloading your TV show for you. Now this is the way you can install Sonarr on your OpenMediaVault with the help of Docker and Portainer. And for this practical we are using Raspberry Pi 4. So if you like my work, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and you can also visit our website. We have documented everything on our website, so you will find lots of useful information and tutorial over there. So guys, share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.